Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Good. I'm with Sarasota County Parks, Recreation, and Natural Resources, and I'm here today to talk to you about our upcoming Big Truck Day. This annual event will be happening on Saturday, April 27th from 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. This event is hosted at Quilta Day Park and it is free to you and your whole family. We'll have over 50 big trucks for you to crawl through, honk the horns, pull the levers, all the fun. Also, we'll have crafts, games, and tours of the stadium for you to be able to enjoy with your family. So come out, join us on Saturday, April 27th from 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. at Quilta Day Park. We'll see you there.